My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Doyin and Tasha don't come out, come insult Davido and Wizkid, and their fans don't come out, come tear the both of them to shreds. So early hours of today, Wizkid wake up very early in the morning, come out to come insult the colleague wey be say called Davido and Don Jazzy wey be say be legend for the music industry. So as the gbas dey go on between different fan base, Tasha come out, come shook her mouth inside to come talk, and Doyin too come out to come give her own 2 cents for the matter, but e come turn out say the thing come backfire against the both of them. So as we all know, Tasha she dey obsessed with Davido. You no go get anywhere wey be say they talk about Davido, talk anything about the boy wey be say she no dey shook her mouth put inside. And I remember say the guy no gree acknowledge her even after she draw tattoo of the guy for her bobby. For her podcast, that one wey be say she do for her channel for FM, Cool FM every Friday. There's no day Tasha will talk about that she will not talk about Davido. Even this last episode she do, she still mention the boy name for inside there. So today, as Wizkid dey insult the Davido, Tasha come out, come shook her mouth inside. She come say Wizkid woke up and choose violence, come put laughing emoji. Na so Davido fans, na kukuma know say those ones they no get respect. They're always fighting online. It's getting out of hand. And so they come out, come put out this video of when Mercilessly they blast Tasha, say Tasha na smello.
And the chop gutter. Pass every guy go do.
Nah, I think fraud is.
They even told you. They told you. And you say no, I can't smell everything. You're using fake Victoria's Secret.
I can't even.
Okay, for you, you're a celebrity. Everybody's clout chasing you, clout chasing. What were you? Internet beggar. That's what you were before this.
Una don hear wetin Mercilessly talk na. Since the day wey be say Mercilessly make this statement, na so that thing don dey follow Tasha. Everybody dey call Tasha say she dey smell. I never really see Tasha for real life to really perceive, check her whether she really dey smell. But for Mercilessly to talk say Tasha dey smell, that means say she really dey smell. If there are people wey be say you wan drag for this life, you see 30BG and Wizkid FC, no even bother yourself for those two fan base, because those two they no get shame. So Doyin na come out on her own, come out to come drag Wizkid. According to her, she say Wizkid is respecting Don Jazzy, not sit well with her because Wizkid not get any hit song for the past 10 years. A lot of people don't talk and say Wizkid not get any hit song for the past 10 years. To me, I believe say Wizkid get hit song for the past 10 years because Essence na hit song. So I don't know. I just feel see all those things na regular banter, because after all, now Wizkid come out to come find trouble, so they insult am back. So don't you come out, come say Don Jazzy is still the Jay-Z of the Nigerian music industry. If you try to disrespect him, it just shows your head is not correct. No be to the chase clout, drop hit. Yes, for some time now, no go lie, Wizkid never really drop anything where we say really they hit like that. But for for this our country, most times people they like song where we say gas to do with one be cheerful song. But Wizkid these days they drop slow music, and life don't already they slow. So maybe some people just not want slow something. I make them not really see music as something where we say they sweet them anymore. When you make this statement, now so Wizkid fans come out to Shakabula. They can say who be this as a fly, and that one say who be this one again. I blame BBN where we for not know who this octopus. Hey, doing an octopus, not be smarting. And now uncle say who be this earthworm? I beg. If we fit put the same energy where we say we dey use they fight for our faith for everything for this country, we put them into the economy of this country, I believe to say we're not going to suffer. There are so many things where they're wrong, but nobody want to talk about that. Fuel keeps going up every day, electricity tariff is so high, DSTV don't increase price, nobody they talk about that one. Now Davido and Wizkid obviously don't make them for life. Now Tacha and Doyin carry for head. We not also all those fight now for billionaires, it not consign us. Don Jazzy and Davido where they insult, they not even talk anything. Since morning, everybody they run mad. The two of them when they insult, they not talking. And me now I can carry the matter for my head. Tasha and Doyin go good make una learn to mind on our business. Concentrate on your hustle and leave billionaires make they fight their fight by themselves. Una take care, una bye.